Now that makes me think of something not really related to divorce per se, but you had mentioned, getting out of the workforce and retiring. What about folks kind of later in life, 50s, 60s, 70s, retirement age, retired? And I'm talking about my folks specifically.
Okay.
My dad worked for a union. He had some pensions with the union, thank God, but he died of cancer. My mom never worked.
Okay.
And is that a scenario where life insurance would have been beneficial, or at that age, is it more difficult to get those types of term policies? Are they cost prohibitive? Because it kind of left my mom in a bad position because she just had Social Security and a small pension. Thankfully, there was at least that small pension that passed on to her. But had there been an insurance, had there been an insurance policy to boot, is that something when people get older to help protect their spouses? Is that?
At that point, it's great if you can do it, and actually what people at that age tend to buy life insurance for is for estate planning issues and all the costs associated with estate taxes, and that's another conversation for a different expert here.
Sure.
So that's where we tend to see it. It is difficult for somebody, as you start to get past 55 or 60, it does start to get fairly expensive because you can't pay just $30 or $40 a month for a policy and expect $1 million payoff because when you're that old, you're getting closer to where the life companies expect you not to make it anymore. So it's great if you can do it like maybe around 45 or so, and then do something like maybe a 30-year policy.
Okay.
Then that way, that will take you out, into retirement. Then you can make the choice. So let's say now you're at 60 or 65 and you look at your retirement fund, you look at the pension, and you say, if I did go, is there enough? Because then you could stop. You don't have to continue to pay in the life policy. But it gives you that choice. And having that choice when you hit retirement is important because once you hit retirement, you don't really have a choice anymore. So that's how we tell people to get it, and then we can reevaluate if you don't need it anymore. We either reduce it or pull it off. It depends on their situation.
That's good to know. That's kind of where I'm at, 45, and try and lock in.
We should talk after.
Yeah, no, we have been talking. Yeah. I was telling him I need to lose a little weight to get the premium down a little bit.
There you go.
That's my goal.
There you
and then I can gain all the weight back. That's the plan. No.
Didn't hear that.